Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last couple of videos, I was working in the backyard, giving it a refresh, updating everything, and in today's video, we are moving to the front. Now, I hope it's not as much work as the backyard ended up being, but we'll see. So, a few things that I want to get done out here to just make it look nice and ready for the spring and summer season. Okay, if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that the house used to look nothing like this. The brick was completely different. We lime washed that and did the garage, and the front porch got a makeover and some landscaping, but I still want to do a little bit just to clean it up. I want to give kind of an update on how the lime wash is holding up because I get a lot of questions about that. Maybe do some landscaping, definitely spruce up this front porch area, and we're definitely going to be doing some pressure washing, and I want to kind of clear out these trees again to maybe get some sunlight, because as you can see, there is no grass. I'm currently kind of weighing my options as I'm coming to an end of projects inside the house, I guess, or room makeovers inside the house. I'm gonna have endless projects, but thinking about grass as far as like maybe turf, maybe sod, maybe planting seed. But you can see we get some sunlight here, but for the majority of the time this area is in shade. So I want to try to cut some more of this canopy up at the top to just kind of open this area up a little bit, so no matter what we decide to do as far as the grass situation, it'll be a lot brighter in here. So before we start trimming the trees, let's talk about today's sponsor, June's Journey. So June's Journey is a hidden object mystery game. It follows the story of June Parker, who is on a mission to solve her sister's murder and uncover her family's secrets. A lot of you have said that you play it too, and also a lot of you have told me that you're super into true crime as well. You gave me great recommendations for some podcasts, so really appreciate that. I like to play it to relax. You can find the objects quickly to get bonus points, but I just like to take my time and find the objects, and because my brain is kind of a little bit fried after all day doing projects. So you can download June's Journey for free by clicking the link in the description. It's available on Android and iOS devices. Also, you can play on your PC through Facebook games. So thank you so much to June's Journey for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you guys go check them out. Okay, we are starting to get some sunlight. Cleared out kind of a lot more over on this side. Need to kind of clear up there, but it's taking a whole lot of these branches to get some sunlight here. Okay, so basically all I've done is make the front yard look a whole lot worse, but they're definitely thinned out. I can tell a lot more sun is getting through. But I am done for today. I love doing this, but it is really tiring. So gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with these limbs. Call someone, I guess. I don't know. We'll see, and rest up and get back to work. All right, it's the next morning and we've got a lot more sunlight coming through these trees. Now, what I want to work on now is the lime wash. A lot of you guys have asked for an update on this DIY lime wash that I did, and overall I am happy with it. It is fading in a few spots and it is peeling away in some spots. Not too bad. I think that may be my fault for applying it maybe too thickly, and then also a few spots over here. Now I've started scraping a little bit. You can see down here I've started scraping away some of the loose stuff just so when I touch it up I don't touch up over loose lime wash and then it's all gonna scrape off or peel off later anyway. So I've scraped some of it, but what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna start with my pressure washer and I'm kind of just gonna go top down and not really strongly pressure washing it, just enough to get anything that's really loose off before I go back and touch up, and just to give it a nice good cleaning. Okay, I know you're probably like, what are you doing? You're undoing all of your work. But I wanted to make sure I get all the parts that were peeling off. Also, lime wash like becomes more opaque as it dries. So that side is all like soaking wet, and as it dries, it will look a lot more like that side and up there, and whatever is still kind of translucent where we can see the original brick, we will touch up. Okay, I think I got anything that might be chipping away or peeling, got it all pressure washed, and I'm gonna let everything dry completely because I think that was part of the problem last time I did it. As the lime wash dries, it gets much more opaque, but I think I was like, oh no, it's not covering super well. Let me add another layer on top of it, which might have made me put too much on, which caused some of it to peel. In the meantime, there are plenty of other things out here that we can pressure wash. Alright, I have never loved these concrete paver things here, mainly just kind of because the color. And they used to be a lot higher than they were, and I thought about just removing all of them. But you see this right here, the wind always blows from this direction, and this like catches all of the leaves, and I kind of don't want to have to deal with that all in the flower bed, like it would be even more leaves in the flower bed. So I think I'm just going to remove this top layer here just to make it lower, and I think that that will look a little bit better. Okay, I think just the couple layers of these pavers, I think that looks a lot better. Still need to mulch and trim up these bushes, and lots still to do out here, but I wanted to show you guys the lime wash. You can see that it is dry now from when I pressure washed it, and it doesn't look nearly as bad as it looked earlier. It looked like I was taking everything off earlier, but I wasn't. It's just some of the flaky peeling spots, so need to touch up in some places and it'll look good as new. Alright, this is where we're going to stop for today's video. We got a lot done out here, but still a lot more to do. Mainly testing out some new lime wash on the house to see how that goes. And if you guys want to check out June's journey, make sure that you click the link down in the description and make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss any videos coming up, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!